Hello everyone. In this episode, I am going to explain what schizophrenia is. Schizophrenia is a type of mental illness which affects 1 in 100. The good news is it's a treatable psychiatric condition and people can get really better if they get the right kind of treatments available. What is schizophrenia? Schizophrenia is basically a type of thinking disorder. Due to chemical imbalance inside the brain, the normal thinking process can get disturbed and therefore it can lead to overthinking and imaginations. They further develop into suspicious thoughts and ideas about other people, leading to false beliefs that other people are trying to harm them, others are talking ill about them, others are following them, watching them and tracking them, etc. These are imaginary thoughts which seem so real to them and they believe it strongly. People with schizophrenia can have auditory hallucinations when they hear voices when there is no one around, leading to self-talking and self-mutterings. Their behavior can also become disturbed, leading to anger outbursts, agitation and aggression, both verbally and sometimes physically. They also develop sleeplessness and they tend to isolate themselves. These are all important symptoms and clinical features of schizophrenia. But like I have mentioned before, it's a treatable psychiatric condition. Please contact your local psychiatrist for help after watching this video. With the help of right medicines, the chemical imbalance can be corrected, the thinking disturbances can be also corrected, and people can lead a normal life. If you're struggling to find a local psychiatrist, we can help you too. Therefore, please contact us for help if you have symptoms of schizophrenia. I hope that you found this video useful and informative. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Psychiatrist Pratap. Thank you for watching.